percent to decimal. Today we're going to be learning two things. Or reviewing. Percent to decimal will be a review. But we need to make sure we understand it for the 7th grade math. So tonight your homework is all the odds and the graph. That will make sense. When you see your paper, you're going to do all the odds plus the graph. Okay. So if it's 75%, what is it as a decimal? Good. Okay. Remember, move the decimal 2 times to the front. Okay. What if it's 80%? What would be my decimal of 80%? 0.8 or 0.80, whichever one. So, but not to be confused with 8%. What would 8% be? So let's pause for a moment and recognize the difference between 80% and 8%. And those zeros, because those zeros do matter. If it's in the back, cool. But this one really does matter. If you have it in the front, it really, really matters. Some kids will use this one when we mean this one, so be very careful. There's a huge difference between this 0.8 and this 0.08. But I'm sure you all know, right? Yes. Okay. What if it's 17.6%?
Don't worry, I got it.
Okay. Always move it twice, no matter how many numbers you are given. Always move it twice. Any questions on that? All right. So you're gonna need this. Okay. What is $500 minus $256 with 34 cents? So I went shopping and I had $500 in my pocket. And I spent $256.34 on my wonderful scholar students. Christmas gifts.
You're gonna get it?
I'm going to give you math homework.
Oh, yay. That's something.
Appreciate that.
Your Christmas gift is just
So I got coal.
Oh.
Just kidding. But it was funny. He said, set that up for me. I couldn't resist making that joke. All right. So what do I do? How much is it? What do I have left over? How much money do I have left over, gentlemen and ladies?
243.66. Okay, now probably 76. You don't even have it done.
You don't even have it done. So 500. Where's my decimal of 500? In the end, add 2 zeros. 256.34. Just basic review math, but I need this for the 7th grade math. So this becomes a 10, 9, 9, 9, 4. Remember, all of them become 9. Yep, 243. Are you okay with this? Ow. All right. Okay, we're good? Okay. So now the 7th grade math. I mean, percents and decimals are also 7th grade. Discount is the name of the game. Miss Lamelli's favorite topic of math in the real world. Discount. What is discount in the real world?
Discount.
When you mark down
Like 20% off.
20% off, a markdown price. So when you go to the store, you're saving some money. And Miss buy one get one free, buy one get one 50% off. All right. But you first have to buy one. Miss Lamelli wants to buy. What does Miss Lamelli want to buy?
Candy for her awesome students.
Shoes, of course. they cost $120.
That's a lot of money. That's some big new
What shoes are you buying?
some J's.
But don't worry, don't fright. They are on sale
One set just
for 20% off.
We're on Black Friday.
Yeah, Black Friday made them 20% off. Whoa. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Why is it called Black Friday?
Because it's when the stores turn black, from red to black. So when stores do business, they still have to pay rent and they have to pay their employees, right? So like they can sell this marker for $1, but to pay the rent, to pay my employees, I'm running on red for a very long time. Meaning I'm not making a profit. I'm selling things. This costs $1. I'm selling it, but to pay my employees, to pay the rent, to pay the light bill, whatever, I'm running on red. Meaning when I do the math in my books at the end of the month, I'm not making a profit. As an owner of the store, I'm not making a profit. So they developed Black Friday, which means at that point, that store is making profit. So in their books, they use red to show debt, that they're still not making a profit. And all of a sudden, Black Friday came along, and all of their sales went up, and now they're in the black, meaning they went from not making a profit to making a profit.
I thought it was Black Friday. People blew each other off.
Oh, wait.
No. Okay. How much do I save
Save. What is the new price?
Okay, so 2 questions that you will be asked when doing discount.
Mr. Melly,
Yes.
would it work if you do buy one get one free and then you return the one you bought and keep the one you got free?
Wait, that's hard.
Wait, that's more. No, it doesn't work.
Have
It
you
does
tried
not work.
Yeah.
It's like, what if you come back like a month later? Like they don't know you got the second one for free.
Yeah, and like you just change the receipt.
Doesn't it?
You just changed the receipt.
Yeah.
Wow.
Change the
Are we doing
receipt.
fraud over here or fraud?
Or you just don't bring your receipt if you don't have it.
I think you need the receipt to return something.
Actually, I guess.
And Costco, you don't.
You
Like my eye, you don't.
Oh yeah.
So at Costco with the
Do you have a membership card? Miss, I've seen some random stuff at Costco. I saw someone return a half-eaten watermelon, and they took it.
I saw someone.
No, Costco takes anything.
They take anything, miss.
correct. But the thing is that the first thing they do before they take anything is to scan your membership. So in your membership, it is the history of what you bought, when you bought it is all logged. So yeah, I can take this.
Half-eaten watermelon.
Yes.
I like Costco.
What the hell?
I saw someone.
Where's the other half?
Eat it in their belly?
No,
Maybe in the
like,
toilet already?
They ate half of it, and then the other half, like, they left it for too long. Like, we heard the girl explain it. She's like, we left it for too long, and it, like, started to rot, and they just returned it. And they got their money back.
All right. So to find discount, you have 2 steps for finding discount. The first step is to take the price, the original price of your item, and multiply it by your percent, but your percent must be written as a decimal. That first answer is what you save. So do I save $1? Do I save $2? Do I save $100? Then your second step is to take the price, your original price, and use your answer from number 1 to subtract to get your new price. Sometimes they only ask you how much do you save, so you would be done after save step 1, and sometimes they want your new price. Okay, so these are the 2 steps that we must use in order to answer these discount questions. Okay, so step number 1, take your 120 and multiply it by your percent written as a fraction. My percent in my problem was 20%. Okay, so what is 20% written as a decimal?
0.2.
Okay. So let's multiply. So 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2. So do I save $240? No, you're never going to save more than it costs. So this number should always be smaller than this number. So what's the only thing I'm forgetting?
Decimal.
Decimal. How many times do I move it? 1. So because there's one number after, I only move it one time. So how much money do I save? $24. Okay? So I'm saving $24 off these 10 issues. So my step number 1 shows me how much I save. I save $24. Number 2, 120 minus 24 will give me my new price. So it started with $120, but I'm saving $24. So I subtract, we borrow. Oh, this is gonna. Okay, so what's 10 minus 4? 6. 11 minus 2. Oops. 96. So that's my, what we call the new price. Our new price is $96. So our new price is $96. Our new price is $96. I save 24. So the question might be like, how much do you save? Oh, you save $24. Fantastic. What's my new price? Oh, my new price is $96. Fantastic. I'll take 2 pairs of shoes. Okay. So let's say Miss O'Malley wants a new Apple Watch. So I said Miss Lomelli. I don't actually.
So get a new phone.
I already have one.
So get the brand new one.
She did.
I do.
No,
The brand new one. The one that folds.
I don't know how to say about
the
that.
Samsung one.
My grandpa has that one. Boy, nobody can know Samsung around here, boy. My grandpa does.
I know. I don't want the blue bubble to turn green on other people's phones.
Bruh.
They might judge me. So let's say the Apple Watch is $350. And as a teacher, yay teachers, we'll get a discount. Woo!
That's not fair.
So the discount for teachers,
It's 1%.
yeah, seriously, 15% off.
Ooh.
There is a discount, but I don't think it's on everything, and I don't think it's 15% off. Okay.
Wait, don't you get like a discount for being a veteran or something like that?
Yeah, there's different things that stores offer discounts for. One is, yes, veterans, teachers do get discounts at different stores. We always, their students discount. All right. Yeah. Okay, what's our first step? Multiply. So your first step is to multiply. You take your price, 350, and you're going to multiply it by what?
15.
1. Oh, no.
No, 0.15.
Yep, so remember, the decimal is in the back, so we're going to move it to the front 2 times. So you move it 2 times, right? So move it to the front 2 times, so that's 0.15. If you want to write the 0 in front of it, you can. I usually don't, but you can. Now, just a reminder of how to multiply 3 digits by 2 digits. This is going to be so much fun. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry the 2. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2 is 17. That's everything multiplied by the 5. So I'm done multiplying by 5. Now what's the next step I have to do?
Another 0.
A 0 placeholder. That 0 placeholder is just a placeholder. I didn't do any math to actually get that 0. It's called a 0 placeholder. Now I start multiplying by 1 times 0 is 0. That's the 1 times 0, 0. 5, 3. Make sure you're lining up the numbers. Then these numbers we add. We get 5,250.
Yes.
Totally. Can I save more than what it costs?
No.
No. So I know that I'm still missing something. Now, decimal. How many times do I move the decimal? Twice. Because there was 2 numbers in my problem that were after the decimal, I gotta recognize that. There we go. So how much do you save?
$52.50.
Good. $52.50. $52.50. Oh, God. Number 2. Now I'm going to subtract. You put the price on top because usually that's the bigger number. And we add a decimal and a 0, 0. I got 5 minutes of your life. That's, you know how long 5 minutes is?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All right, subtract.
Sorry guys, I gotta go call.
All right, what do we get?
197. I think.
Why are you putting a 10? There's a 0.
Because we got from the 9.
Oh, I see what you did.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Well, I made that same mistake with Moving.
Yeah, because sometimes we want to see if you're paying attention. I like those little bubble sauce in it.
Yeah, let's see.
I don't know what we're doing. I don't know if we're doing the pink worksheet or the white worksheet. So I'm giving you both, and then you can pass them on. Executive.
I wanna go home.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. What do we want to buy?
A dog.
Wait, Miss.
Robot.
Yeah.
So if there's another number, do we add like 2 circles?
Yeah. So if there was another, like, let's say another one right there, then you would add 2 placeholder zeros. I want to buy a TV. I feel like we need another TV in this classroom. Yeah.
Everybody like 6?
Let's see.
Like 1,000.
Is today Wednesday?
Obviously,
Yes, today's early day. Why?
Why are we going 5 inch?
Oh yeah.
obviously I need.
I was gonna get a
Give me $1,000.
Okay, I need a big TV. Okay.
60. Best Buy brand.
Would you want the cheapest one? Here?
Like the most expensive one.
1,000.
Yeah, 1,300.
I need a whatever refresh rate. I need a big refresh rate.
That one. Those on top.
Oh, it's 1,800.
Ooh, yes, because I need it to look like a picture frame.
Yeah.
You know, when you're not here, I need it to look.
Why would I need that?
It has AI smart.
You know, you can pick it up in an hour.
I'll have it by third period.
Look, you could do $79 like. Look, save.
Oh, I need an 85.
Bruh.
But like, aren't the Black Friday deals still
Wait,
there?
are we putting it on the roof?
Seriously, right?
Yeah, but
Oh, this one's perfect.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah.
We'll take 2.
And it's
Wait, they already
And
Look,
it's really
Miss, we saved $1,000.
Look, we're already saving $1,000.
Mr. Beast, wow, thank you.
Wow. Look at that. Hey, we can pay $137 a month. That's not bad.
not bad.
It's not that bad if you think about it. Miss, we should it's that bad.
All right. So, when we look at this price, $3,299 with 99 cents, we're already saving 1,000. So let's round this number to the nearest whole hundredths. So what would it be?
3,300.
All right. So the TV cost $3,300, but it's on sale, an additional discount. They're like, today's Tuesday, we're having a sale. Come on in. So we're going to save 50%. That's too easy. Let's do
What? 59%.
55%.
What?
55% discount. Whoa. Woohoo. It's a really good deal. So, what's our first step? Multiply.
Multiply.
0.55. How much do I save? 1,800 and what?
15.
Okay,
1,915.
that's what I got. Is how much you save.
Yes, I got that too.
1,815. So step number 2, take your original price and you're going to subtract 1,815 from it. And we're going to borrow. Yes, the hardest part is, do you remember how to borrow? Oh my God, what a steal. New price is $1,485. Double check my math for me, please.
Ooh, we still getting scammed. We got scammed?
Hey, when I was a kid,
Back
back in my days, these TVs were not cheap at all. Like, you couldn't find a $100 or a $300 flat screen TV. They were very, very expensive. Nowadays, yeah, you can, for sure. All right, are we okay? Do you want the easy worksheet or the hard worksheet today?
Easy.
Okay, and tomorrow the hard one?